Hello students, welcome back to our biology classroom. We reached the fifth chapter, Soldiers of Defense. In the last two classes we learned that our body contains some defense mechanism which helps to destroy the pathogen that enters our body. Today we will learn how healing of wounds take place. Healing of wound is a stage after inflammatory response and blood clotting. When a wound occurs, new similar tissues are formed in place of tissues damaged or lost by the wound. In such situations, the wound scar does not remain. But in the cases when new similar tissues cannot be found, the connective tissues heals the wound. In such situation, the wound scar remains. Infections through the wound slow down the healing process. A strong defense system accelerates the process of wound healing and reduces the chance of infection. Is fever a disease or a symptom? The normal body temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. The fever is a condition when the body temperature rises above the normal level. Now look at the flow chart. When the pathogen enters the body, the presence of toxins produced by the pathogens stimulate the white blood cells. The chemical substances produced by the white blood cells raises the body temperature. The rise in the body temperature reduces the rate of multiplication of pathogens. As a result, it increases the effect of phagocytosis. Phagocytosis means the process of engulfing and destroying the germs. Why do we take medicines during fever? When infection becomes uncontrollable, the body temperature may rise tremendously. We take medicines to reduce the body temperature, but it is advisable to treat after diagnosing the exact reason. If the rise in the body temperature persists for a long time, it may badly affect the internal organs, including the brain. Hence, if fever increases, it is necessary to seek medical assistance immediately. What is non-specific defense mechanism? Non-specific defense mechanism is a mechanism that protects us from all pathogens without considering their characteristic features. Lymphocytes are the blood cells that specifically identify and destroy the pathogens that enter the body by overcoming the non-specific defense mechanisms of the body. Antigen. Foreign bodies or pathogens that enter the body and stimulate the defense mechanisms are called antigens. The defense mechanisms that identifies the structure of each antigen and destroys it specifically is called specific defense. Example, lymphocyte, which is present in the white blood cells. Let's learn why lymphocytes called the barrier. The lymphocytes are formed in the bone marrow. There are two types of lymphocyte. One is the B lymphocyte and another one is the T lymphocyte. B lymphocyte mature in the bone marrow and T lymphocytes mature in the thymus gland. Now let's discuss the role of lymphocytes in the specific defense mechanism. First one, B lymphocytes. B lymphocytes produce certain proteins that act against antigens. These are called antibodies. Antibodies destroy the pathogens in three different ways. First one, destroy the bacteria by disintegrating their cell membrane. 2. Neutralize the toxins of the antigens. Third one, destroy the pathogens by stimulating other white blood cells. Next one is a T lymphocyte. It stimulates other defense cells of the body, destroy the cells affected by the virus, destroy cancer cells. Now let's learn how the blood acts as a defense mechanism. The blood raises body temperature, helps in the production of antibodies. It also helps in healing of wounds, helps in blood clotting. It also helps in the inflammatory response and undergoes phagocytosis. Last topic, lymph and the defense. We already learned about lymph last year. The lymph formed from the blood and reabsorbed into blood has a prominent role in the defense mechanism, like the blood. Lymph contains plenty of lymphocytes. They destroy the disease-causing bacteria in lymph nodes and spleen. Only this much for today. Watch the videos, learn your portions well, and write the activities in your notebook. Thank you.